Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C25Y, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you will want to open up your settings. From there, choose Storage, tap on your SD card. Let's select Files as a way to open it. And from here you want to select those three dots, go to Storage Settings right here, and select Format. This will bring you a message that performing a format on an SD card will remove all the data from it, so if there is anything that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already made that backup, or you simply just don't want to, then you need to click Format SD card. This will instantly begin the process, which only takes a couple of seconds, and it should be right about done. Yep, there we go. So click on Done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.